if it's a file, it's really hard to say, but it's going to be probably in the nature of downloading some kind of malware to your machine, which could either do a number of things. It could just sit there and just record keystrokes on your computer. It could send that information back to someone. It can actually be trying to do damage on your machine. It could be as simple as just trying to mine Bitcoin, but any of those activities are being loaded on your machine. So that's going to be malware. So you've got to have good malware protection on your machine in order to stop that kind of stuff. If it's a link, oftentimes it might be disguised as, hey, your 365 passwords has been expired, and we're going to lock you out of your account. So you got to click on this link in order to revalidate who you are and then put in your credentials for that. And of course, once I give them my email address, my password, and maybe my 2FA code, they have access to get into my account, and then they can act as me. And once they're logged in as me, now we're talking about business email compromise.